Good morning, guys. It's the start of Vlogmas days 3 through 6. So this is going to be my weekly vlog for the first week of Vlogmas, and it's bright and early. We're on our way to the train to head down to my office, and we've got a busy day at work, so I probably won't see you guys until around 7 p.m. tonight when I get off. Just got back from work and I'm waiting for my Uber or taking this taxi. It's really cold out. I don't really feel like standing around. I'm gonna see if I can cancel without getting a fee. Let's find out. Couldn't cancel. Now I have to wait. Oh, it's so cold out tonight. And I don't have a big jacket. It's officially too cold to just wear my blazer. Even though this is a really warm, cozy one that I just bought. Gotta get the jacket. Guys, I just got back from work and I knew this was gonna happen because I've been checking out my phone, but I started uploading Vlogmas Day 1 yesterday at 1 p.m. and it's at 60% uploaded. So I'm considering like going to a Starbucks or something because this is just like ridiculous. AT&T is terrible, like flat out terrible. And it sucks because they're the only people who service our building. I'm super disappointed. I called them today. I told them we were having trouble with it. They were like, oh, well, we just did a speed test and everything's fine. Like your router is getting everything, so it's totally fine. It's not fine. So I think tomorrow I need to just call and be like, I want to speak to a manager, and then just tell them like, look, if you can't fix this, we're not gonna be a customer anymore, and we'll go find some, you know, off-brand Wi-Fi, because at this point I'm not gonna pay $50 a month for internet that doesn't work. We might as well not have internet. That's not true, we need internet. But it's really, really bad, and I'm just super frustrated because all I want is for Vlogmas to upload. It's not that much to ask for, and all I want is for Donnie to be able to work and not have issues all the time. So, well, it's up to 61%. Maybe we're turning a corner, who knows? Yesterday was just miserable. I don't know what the deal is. So, anyway, all right, I need some food, I'm really hungry, and then I'm gonna evaluate Vlogmas uploading. The best part about coming home is putting on your cozy clothes and getting out of your work clothes. Oh, I love it. All right, I think we're gonna do salmon again. I just love this salmon because it's so easy, and just, I don't know, salmon always sounds good to me. So I wish I'd gotten another package of this at Costco because I think I'm only down to a few more. Dinner, and I lit a candle that smells like a Christmas tree, and now I'm going to go ahead and arrange these really pretty eucalyptus branches that I got. I've decided I'm going to let them dry out and see what they look like. If they look terrible, I'll just buy fresh ones and keep them in water, and you know, I don't know, but I'm hoping that I can dry them out because I don't like repurchasing flowers. I just think that, like, I don't want to say it's a waste of money, but it's money that I don't feel like I should really be spending on things like flowers that die. So I'm hoping that these dry nicely, so we'll see. Otherwise I'll probably get fake ones or something like that. But I'm going to start by taking off the leaves that are below the vase line. So I'm going to start with that, lit my candle, going to watch some TV and wait for my dinner to cook. All right, first attempt at a bouquet. Ignore the mattress in the background, we're still waiting for that to get picked up. I don't know, I'm not great at arranging bouquets, but it was a first attempt and I think it kind of looks nice. I don't know, we'll see, it'll probably change. And then I did a second one for our room, and I like how this one turned out. I think it looks really nice. I haven't arranged it. We've already started piling stuff on top here, but I'm thinking I'm just gonna put it in the corner. Literally, where did all these cotton balls come from? Bonnie was like, do we need these? And then dump them out of something. I'll just put them in this cup and throw them away because we don't ever really use cotton balls. There. Isn't that nice? Right there. And then my perfumes. Yeah. I need to wipe this down because the eucalyptus was sitting there. But these little pictures don't look half bad. And then there's Donnie's section. I need to like get him a tray or something. I want to get us like, yeah, some nice trays, but I think that's starting to look nice. 68%, it's done 8% in about an hour or an hour and a half. This is absurd. I think I'm gonna go to the common area and see if that's any better, and then just like bring my work and do work there and see if it'll upload on that Wi-Fi. Otherwise, I like really don't know what I'm gonna do. Guys, this is ridiculous. We're at 70%. It's now 9:21, and I'm sitting right next to the internet. Nothing else is connected. No other devices are using the internet. This is absurd. So we're gonna take a field trip. We're gonna see if the Wi-Fi is any better in the common area. Guys, it only took 2 minutes to get to 72%. I think we're in business. At this rate, it would take an hour to upload, which is totally fine. I can sit here for an hour. I got plenty of work to do. I can edit a video. Oh, I did bring my cord. Good. So I can start on the next vlog. So hopefully we're in business. This would be awesome. I mean, even if my internet at my apartment sucks, I can at least come down here and upload videos because this is not far from my apartment. So, okay, going to do some work. Oh my God, guys, it is a beautiful sight. Processing. This is amazing. Oh my God, what a ridiculous 2 days it has been with this upload. I'm glad I got this figured out and I didn't have to go to Starbucks. I was gonna be really annoyed. Okay, I think as soon as this processes, I don't actually think I have to wait for it to process. I think I can technically just close my computer and it'll just process. I'm gonna go to the gym because Fitmas day 2. This is actually great. If I force myself to come down here to upload videos, then that means I have to go to the gym because I'm literally right here. So we're gonna do this. I'm gonna do upper body and abs today. Woo! I'm so tired. I already don't want to do it, but it's okay. It's gonna be fun. Okay guys, I just got back from the gym and it was a pretty shitty workout, but 2 of 5 completed for the week and it's only Monday, so that feels good. I've just decided this Vlogmas, I'm not gonna stress about uploading perfectly, keeping to any perfect schedule. It's just, it takes the fun out of it. And Vlogmas is all about the fun. So I'm gonna go to bed. I will see you guys in the morning for Vlogmas day 4. Vlogmas day 4, starting out strong at CVS looking for medicine for Donnie. He has not been feeling good, so I went to pick up some medicine for him. And then I'm gonna go to Safeway to get us some dinner. He's at home right now, which is amazing because I'm off early and he's off early.
15 cents on 4K TV. Seriously.
We just moved the desk in place. I'm finally, whoa, I just fell. We can finally put a light on the desk. Let's do that. Good start. Very nice, very nice. I want a new lamp. I don't like that lamp, but it's fine. For now, we'll use it. I'm about to set up the monitors, so that'll be exciting. And then we need to get a desk chair, but that'll come at some point. Bring this sick little one with me. I've just been editing Vlogmas day 2. I think it's time for bed, so I will see you guys in the morning. Vlogmas day 5. I'm working from SF today. I get to go get a haircut finally. It's been way too long. I'm just about to go grab my Uber and head into the office. Hi, for Anna.
Lights fill the city. There are people everywhere. The snow is falling white and pretty as I stroll on my way to you.
Just got off work and I am walking down a very steep hill in heels to the hairdresser. I go to Spoke and Wheel. They have a location in SF and they have one in Palo Alto. I started by going to the one in Palo Alto and I had my favorite hairdresser there. She is fantastic, Lindsay Benson. If you're in Palo Alto and you need a hairdresser, look her up. She is, oh, the best. Now this is the second time I'm going back to a girl here. I think her name's Carly at the Spoke and Wheel in San Francisco, and she does a great job as well. So couldn't get in with Lindsay, but got in with Carly. So I'm walking there right now, and they have the most beautiful view of the ocean. This is what I love about San Francisco, is you just get to the most random parts of the city, and then you just all of a sudden have a view of the bay, and it's so beautiful. Oh, I love this city, guys. And this view over here of the church.
When everything is white, glimmering silver white.
Fresh hair. Carly did an amazing job as always, and it's straight, which I don't normally do by myself, but she blew dry it straight, and I think it looks so nice and sleek, so I'll probably leave it like this tomorrow, or maybe I'll curl it. We'll see how I feel in the morning. But I'm just walking to my Uber pool pickup. Look at this beautiful view of the city, Coit Tower. Oh, I love this area. I should come out here more often. This is kind of North Beach area, Mason Street. So pretty. Dinner time made by my boyfriend.